Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we want to solve the following problem. Given triangle ABC, let D be on AB such that AB equals 3AD. Let E be on CD such that CE equals 2DE. Join A to E and extend AE to meet BC at F. Given that BF equals 9 and CF equals X, the goal is to find X. And now for the solution. Draw DP parallel to BC with P on AF. Since DP is parallel to BC, angle ADP and angle ABF are corresponding angles. Since corresponding angles are equal, we have angle ADP equals angle ABF. Next, consider angle PDE and angle FCE, which are alternate interior angles. Since alternate interior angles are equal, we have angle PDE equals angle FCE. Similarly, angle EPD and angle EFC are alternate interior angles. Therefore, angle EPD equals angle EFC. Next, consider triangle ADP and triangle ABF. We claim that they are similar. Since angle ADP equals angle ABF, and this angle is common to both triangles, the two triangles are similar by AA. Since corresponding sides in similar triangles are proportional, we have DP over BF equals AD over AB. Given AB equals 3AD, AD over AB equals 1 over 3. So, DP over 9 equals 1 over 3, which implies DP equals 1 over 3 times 9. Therefore, DP equals 3. Next, consider triangle CFE and triangle DPE. We claim that they are similar. Since angle ECF equals angle EDP and angle CFE equals angle DPE, the two triangles are similar by AA. Since corresponding sides in similar triangles are proportional, we have CF over DP equals CE over DE. Given CE equals 2DE, CE over DE equals 2. Therefore, S over 3 equals 2 and S equals 6, which is the answer. As an exercise, try to solve this problem and see if you can get the correct answer. This marks the end of the video. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more content. Thanks for watching and see you all next time.